Good morning. This is S.K. Ghosh. I would like to welcome you to our web seminar this morning on wind and seismic design of two-way concrete slab systems. Uh, we will do part two of the web seminar today, and part two has to do with seismic design of two-way slabs in buildings assigned to design category C or D. We did wind and seismic design category B on Tuesday. Uh, this is the building that, if you like, we have been talking about all along. A flat plate column frame. Flat plate meaning no column line beams whatsoever. uh, Slabs supported directly on columns. So a flat plate column frame with a shear wall core. Uh, as we discussed yesterday or on Tuesday, uh, up until design category C, we have a choice of making the flat plate column frames part of the seismic force resisting system or not part of the seismic force resisting system. In the second case, the shear wall core will have to carry the entire wind or seismic forces. In design category D, E, or F, we do not have that choice. In design category D, E, or F, the flat plate column frame cannot be part of the seismic force resisting system. So we have to take the seismic forces on the core and design the frame, the flat plate column frame as gravity frame as as is the terminology we normally use. Now, whenever structural elements are excluded from the seismic force resisting system, there is the deformation compatibility requirement of ACI318-11 which requires that the gravity framing continue to carry full factor gravity loads as it deforms together with the seismic force resisting system all the way up to the design earthquake displacements. Now, this requirement has to be checked, formally checked, when the design category is D or above. It need not be checked by code requirements for design category C and lower. It is not that deformation compatibility is not important, but it is felt that a specific check for it in design is unnecessary. Okay. Now, I mentioned on Tuesday that as you go from design category B to C, what changes is that we now have detailing requirements for uh, the uh, the slabs, the two-way slabs, and we are talking more or less specifically about flat plates. These detailing requirements are given in section 11 point, not 11.2, 21.3 of ACI 318-11. The section title is intermediate moment frames because that's what we are building out of flat plates and columns if our seismic design category is C. Intermediate moment frame is the lowest, intermediate detailing is the lowest level of detailing that is permitted in a building assigned to design category C. So our slab column frame will have to have intermediate detailing, and those detailing rules are given in section 11.3. Okay, let us, I keep on saying 11, 21.3. Okay, let's look at the detailing rules. This is for uh, two-way slabs uh, in buildings assigned to design category C.